Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add weather widget on the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. So at first just touch and hold on the home screen, then just tap on widgets. From here scroll down and find weather option. That's it. Then just tap on weather and then scroll down. Here you can find so many weather widgets and you can add any weather widget on the home screen as you like. Suppose if you want to add this weather widget to your home screen, just select it and then tap on add, and that's it. You can see the weather widget has been added successfully. Now just tap here. From here you can check your weather details. Now if you go back and then touch and hold it, then just tap on settings option. If you want to set your current location, just tap here. Make sure that your phone location and Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Then it will select your current location automatically. So just go back. From here you can customize your widget. Now from here you can customize your weather widget. If you want to remove the widget background, just disable this option and you can see it's removed successfully. Also from here you can change your background color. You can set three options: dark, light and matching phone settings. I suggest you to set match phone settings. Then just tap on save, and that's it. And that is how you can set weather widget on the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.